These are two types of our RFID soft laundry tags, suitable for installation via heat press. The tags are lightweight and durable, designed for high-temperature heat press application. We will use a heat press machine to securely attach the tags. This is the display of the heat press machine. We'll set the temperature and time. Set the temperature 218 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 seconds with 0.4 to 0.6 megapascals pressure. Ensure the best heat pressing results. Place the tag on anywhere of the garment and start the heat press process. The heat pressing is complete. Rub the tag to ensure it's securely attached.